Hey, what's really good, people? Welcome back at me. I'm gonna show you how to change the battery in your key fob for it's between 2020 and, let me get it straight though, I'll put it in the title, okay, and you go from there. This is for between 2019 and 2022. Acura RDX. How to change the battery in your key fob. See this here? Just press it to the side. This thing. Then pull this. Okay. Now, let me give you some light. Here, you're gonna grab put it right here. And you're just gonna turn it. Don't be afraid. It's not gonna break. Okay. Put it here. Turn it. Alright. Now you open it. Here's the battery. Okay. Just remove the battery, pry it. It's gonna come out. Replace it. This is a CR2032. You see a number right there. Sorry. CR2032. Then put it back. Just like that. Pretty much. Hope you like this video. Hope you enjoy it. You know how to support my work. Support the channel. Holla at your boy. Axtuo. Purum. Yeah. Holla at your boy. Shout outs to my people, the fans, the subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the thanks button right here, the super thanks. Hit it if you want to leave a tip. You know, like, share, and comment. Put the feedback in the comment box. I gotta go. Holla at your boy. Yeah.